Hello students, Mr. Jarek M. Rima here. Welcome to our demonstration. For today, I am going to demonstrate to you how to make your form an MdI container. But what is MdI container in VisualBasic.net? MdI stands for Multiple Document Interface Applications that allow users to work with multiple documents by opening more than one document at a time. Whereas a single document interface or SDI application can manipulate only one document at a time. Now I am going to demonstrate to you how to make your form an MdI container. So first we need to click our form. So at this project, we want to make our form 1 as the parent or the MdI container. So make sure you are in the form 1 properties and then look for the this one is MdI container. So the default value there is false. So you click that and then make it true. So you would notice the form now will change its color into gray. So that means our form now here is an MdI container. So it allows us to open another form or another document inside this form. Now let's say for example we want the form 2 to show inside the form 1. So how can we do that? Now first we need to edit our previous code. So let's go back here in the registration form, double click that, okay, and then close these properties. Now we do not want to hide at this point the form 1, so we have to delete that. Okay, and then we have to go back now here in the form 1. So I'm going to debug this project. So click F5 here and then click File, go to register form. So you would notice the form 2 will show here outside the form 1. What we want again in this project, once we click the format or the registration form, this form 2 will show inside the form 1. So how can we do that? So let's close this and then click stop debugging. So go to the file again, go to and then register form. So we need to double click that. Now the first thing that we need to do is to specify that the parent now of the form 2 is the form 1. So we need to type form 2 that MdI parent is equal to me. Now at this syntax, we instructed the form 2 that its MdI parent now is the form 1 or the me here. Okay, then after that the form 2 will show. It's very easy. Okay, so we need to go back now to the form 1 and then test our code. So click F5 or stop debugging and then let's now test this. Click the file, go to and then registration form, then there. The form 2 now will show inside the form 1. Okay, so something like that. So that's how you make your form as an MdI container. Thank you very much for listening. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and see you on my next tutorial.